My name is Zietsman. I'm a software engineer and I founded Cloud and Things, and we work in the AWS space. The AWS community is amazing. There's a very large community of very smart people, and you often feel, or at least I often feel, like the dumbest person in the room, and that's a feeling I like a lot because there's still a lot I can learn. I love open source software. We build a lot of software internally that we use, and we've decided to open source some of it, and it's been great to see people contribute back to our projects and see other people with similar problems use our solutions. And it's also good. It's a good feeling every now and again when you get an alert that another person is starting to follow your code. It's been great to do an in-person event after so many virtual events, and seeing folk that you've got to know over the past 2 years. Seeing them in person, meeting them has been awesome. Yeah, it's been a pretty great experience. Thank you very much. Yeah.